Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make super quick, super simple deviled eggs. Let's get started. Grab your favorite pre-packaged hard-boiled eggs. They usually come in a 2-pack. These can be purchased in large quantity packs at Sam's Club or Costco, but you can also find individual packs at the gas station or grocery store. Other items are your favorite mayonnaise, paprika, and optional hot sauce to kick it up a notch. I like to first open the package and wash off the eggs with water and then pat dry with a paper towel. On a cutting board, slice the hard-boiled eggs in half lengthwise. Scoop out the yolks with a teaspoon into a small dish. Break up the yolks with a fork. Add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise and mix with a fork. Add 1 drop of habanero hot sauce to each egg white. Use a teaspoon to equally divide the mixed yolk and mayonnaise into each egg white. Dust tops of egg yolks with paprika. I hope you enjoyed these quick, simple deviled eggs. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more future content.